Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to share the latest leaked image and exciting design changes of the iPhone 17 Pro. If you're an iPhone enthusiast, you won't want to miss this update. The design of the iPhone 17 Pro is poised to make significant waves in the tech world. The leaked image reveals a major front design change in the iPhone 17 Pro. One of the highlights is the smaller dynamic island and thinner bezels, giving the phone a sleeker and more modern look. This change is expected to enhance the visual appeal and usability of the device. The smaller dynamic island provides more screen real estate, which is perfect for immersive viewing experiences and multitasking. The new design incorporates Metalens technology, which contributes to a flatter and lighter appearance. This advanced technology ensures that the iPhone 17 Pro Max stands out with its unique and innovative design. Metalens technology is a leap forward in optics, allowing for a more compact form factor without compromising on quality. This makes the device more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. It's important to note that only the iPhone 17 Pro Max might feature the Metalens technology. Other models in the series are likely to retain the current dynamic island design. This distinction sets the Pro Max apart as the premium option in the lineup. The differentiation in design and technology highlights Apple's strategy to offer varied options to cater to different user preferences and needs. This design change marks the first significant update since the iPhone 14 Pro. Apple continues to push the boundaries of innovation, and this latest design update reflects their commitment to improving the user experience. The last major design overhaul with the iPhone 14 Pro was well received, and Apple aims to build on that success with the iPhone 17 Pro. The continuous evolution in design and technology showcases Apple's dedication to staying ahead in the competitive smartphone market. Stay tuned as we explore more about the iPhone 17 Pro and other upcoming tech innovations. The design changes are set to make a significant impact, and we're excited to see how they enhance the overall iPhone experience. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and insights. Your support helps us bring you the best in tech news and reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.